Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Rogue Sport. The Nissan Rogue Sport is a subcompact SUV that provides all the functionality. A smooth ride, lots of cargo room, and a roomy back seat is a recipe for a pleasant traveling experience. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning front, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, clock. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.